My first book of jungle animals. There are lots of animals in this picture. Point to all of the different animals. All these animals live in the jungle or close by. Lion, zebra, snake, elephant, monkey. Say each one's name out loud. Parrot, hippopotamus, giraffe, crocodile. A daddy lion has long fur around his face, called a mane. Point to the daddy lion. A mommy lion is called a lioness. Point to the mommy lion. A parrot has bright, colorful feathers. Point to the red parrot in the picture. Can you find the blue parrot too? Snap, snap. These crocodiles have big, strong jaws and sharp teeth. Can you make your arm snap like a crocodile's jaw? An elephant's nose is called a trunk. What are these elephants doing? They're using their trunks to squirt the water. Zebras have lots of black and white stripes. Can you spot another striped animal in the picture? Can you find a creature with spots? These playful monkeys love to jump, swing, and climb in the tall trees. Try to act like a playful monkey. Giraffes have long necks and legs to help them reach the leaves on the trees. Point to the small creature in the picture. Can you make a noise like each of these jungle animals? Roar, squawk, chirp. Make each noise as loudly as you can. Sss, ooh, ooh, snap. Which jungle animal is your favorite? The end.